you how to create your own AI monetizable lo-fi videos YouTube channel like the Lo-Fi Girl. Now, this is an example. Now, already they have 13.8 million subscribers, and we are going to try to create or replicate what they are doing using just AI. So, every single AI tool we use in this video is going to be free, but of course we know with free there's a lot of downfalls. So you can always pay for the AI tools and get way better results. So as you can see, they have very big videos going viral, like 102 million views, 31 million, 21 million, etc. So let's see how to do that. Now, for making a good AI video, we need three things mainly. One is the audio itself, the lo-fi audio, right? Then there's this illustration, the girl sitting, and then there's the video that's playing actually. So we're gonna do that. Now first to generate our let me just reorder this. Okay. First to generate our illustration, we can always go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt. Okay, I'm going to use Leonardo AI to generate the image. That's why I'm gonna ask for a Leonardo AI prompt. You can always write generate a prompt for generating an image like the Lo-Fi Girl YouTube channel. Okay, and it's going to generate a prompt for you, right? Now you can always take this prompt. Okay, and the next thing we have to do is generate the image. Now to generate the image, we are going to go to Leonardo AI. Now this is a really good AI image generator which focuses on realism, and you can generate a lot of images every day, and it's free also. So I'm going to click on generate. As you can see, I've already generated these images, and I really like this one. These are some images generated from a prompt from ChatGPT, but you can always play around. Now I've asked it to generate another image. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so this is a really nice image that you can see. I really like this one. Okay, so what we are going to do is just click on Alchemy Upscaler. Okay, it's going to upscale your image for you, and just click on upscale like that. Okay, and it's going to use your tokens to upscale your image for you. And now it's showing working. That means it is improving the dimensions of the image. Okay, you can also click on this generate motion video, and it's going to basically turn your image into a video like this using AI. Now, let's see, my image has been okay. Yeah, it has been upscaled. So I'm basically going to take this and click on download image, and I'm going to save it, right? So that's what you have to do. Now the next thing you need is audio. So for audio, there's a lot of AI websites which we can use. There's this Traxy.ai website which only allows you to create 5 tracks per month, which is very sad, and the length is also limited. You can only create 30-second, audios. Now the Lo-Fi Girl channel actually uses copyright-free music, which if you wanna use music from that like sort of place and not AI-generated music, you can always go to the description of this video and they have it all linked. But if you want to create music using AI, I'd suggest you to use something like AI Music Studio at media.io or SoundRaw. Now SoundRaw has really good music and you can just download any music you want. I'm gonna use media.io and I have generated some music right here. So I'm gonna go to genre, select my genre, a mood you can select, and a theme you can select. And it's gonna generate music for you. Now I've already generated my 2 tracks, right? 2 time generation. And that's why I'm gonna use that. Now, of course, this offers music only for non-profit use. That's a limitation. If you really want true copyright-free music, I'll suggest you to go to a bunch of websites that are available online where you can get true copyright-free music for free without paying a single penny, like Lo-Fi Girl right here uses. And that's always gonna help you, you know, get your stuff made faster. Now, I don't know why this website is not loading, but let's go on to the next step. Once we have the illustrations that we just downloaded, right? Something like this. Once you have this, now you have to animate this, like done in Lo-Fi Girl. Now, I really like this illustration made by Leonardo. So let's have it animated. Now, I'm gonna go to onemaker.io, and after you create an account, right? You get this up, you get into a video editor. Now, I've already made a video, but I'm going to show you how to make a video yourself. So I'll click this download right here. Okay. And I'm going to save this and I'll show you how the editor works. So let me just pause this. Okay. And we're going to wait for it to load. Okay. So this is the editor preview. In this side, right hand side of the screen, you'll already also get a preview of how your video will look. And this is the entire editor. Now I'm gonna leave this text as lo-fi example. and you can always write subtitle text like subscribe or something. And all you have to do is upload your album artwork, which we just got from Leonardo AI. So I'm gonna upload the latest one. You can crop it to fit exactly however you want. So this looks nice, just like that. I'm gonna click on crop, and it's gonna upload it. Then you have to click on this image, and you can upload your audio. Now I already downloaded an audio, right? So I've already uploaded that, and you can also play along with waveforms and the colors and stuff like that in this editor. Now once this uploading is done, it's gonna give us a prompt and generate this preview as well. If you want to stop that preview generation, you can always click on the cross that is shown here. Now I want the preview to show, so I'm gonna let it show. Simple as that. And this is a preview video. This is how it looks. It looks really good. I'm going to click on export. Now the thing with this is it only allows us to export 20-second byte. So you can always make a video of 0 to 20 seconds, then another video of 20 to 40 seconds and stuff like that. Or you can just use a tool like Premiere Pro and edit the videos or make the videos yourself. Now save and make video. Let's click on that and it's going to save the video. Now once you get the video, okay, you're going to go to Canva, make an account, click on try video editor, right? And edit the video in such a way. Now, if you have a multiple bytes of 20 seconds videos, you need to combine them. And you can do that in Canva. So you're going to take the video and just drag and drop it into Canva, right? Just like that. And let it process. You're going to resize it to fill your screen. And you're just going to watch it. How does it look? Yeah, it looks nice. Now, in Canva, you can always add elements on top of your video. So you can add a subscribe button here, something like you can search for subscribe button. And we can just take the free ones. Now, let me find a nice free one. Free subscribe button. YouTube subscribe, graphics. Okay, so here's a free one. You can just add it here, and let's resize it. And you can add all of your clips also in Canva. And now that it is done, just give it a name, say LoFi video for example, and you can do so and click on download. And that's a video done for you. So I'm gonna click on download, let it process, and while it downloads, I'll show you. While it downloads, I'll show you from where LoFi Girl gets her own audios, right? So all you have to do is go to LoFi Girl's YouTube channel and go to the description. Okay, so you're gonna go to the description right here, and there's gonna be a couple of links that are gonna show you exactly from where LoFi Girl gets her audio. So let's wait for it to load. I don't know why YouTube is malfunctioning today. Okay, my video on Canva has been made. So I'm just gonna do this. And let me show you guys the video as well, how it has turned out. And you can do it yourself as well. So let's see how it looks. Okay. So the video looks pretty nice. This image wasn't upscaled, but with Leonardo AI, you can always upscale the image, the one we downloaded, this one. you know that is an upscaled image, so the video would look way better with this one. And there's that. Now finally, if YouTube allows me, I'll show you from where LoFi Girl gets, or if you go into this video's description, I'll give some links from where LoFi Girl gets her audio. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, then please click on the like button so YouTube knows that I'm doing good. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye.